Hi everyone, welcome to What's in My Kitchen. Today we are going to make a quick high protein banana blueberry smoothie. I love this recipe because there is no cut, no cook, and it literally takes just 5 minutes. So I thought I might share it with you. I'll use 2 banana for this recipe, and then I have my almond milk with me. You can also use normal milk or oat milk, whatever you prefer. And then I have some oats with me, some ice, and there is some chia seeds, and of course I have some blueberry, and I also have some cherries. Okay, from now on you will only see the ingredients, and I'm gonna take one blender real quick. I usually use whatever I have, like it can be strawberries, it can be cranberries. I just happen to have this cherries. They are all frozen, so they are good for a bit long time. And I had this cherries from my cover shoot of the July edit. It turned out to be so good. I don't know what was the inspo, or it's just we didn't had any time to look at any inspo or something. Oh god, this is so messy because my bananas are like really ripe, but it's okay. Ripe bananas are even better for these kind of recipe. Adding around 1 spoon of rolled oats. I'm adding my blueberries. Oh my god, these are so frozen. I'm still thinking, do I add like cherry? And then a little bit of milk. I want this to be a bit of running. I don't want to eat it, but I want to drink it, so you can adjust the milk according to yourself, your preference. Whenever I want to eat, I use more frozen banana or frozen berries, but these are not frozen. I want to drink it just like a drink, so I add a nice amount of milk. You can already see how beautiful this looks even now. A very little amount of chia seeds, like 1 tablespoon. Since it's a smoothie, I'm just going to put 3-4 ice cubes, and then we are quick. That's it. The moment of truth. It turned out so beautiful. I can see all the blueberries and then oats, and obviously there is chia seeds. So we are good. Then I'm gonna find myself a nice glass. Since the quantity is not too much, we have to check if it's running. Yeah, it's quite running. No sugar, no nothing, and love it. And voila, it is ready. Now before I go and enjoy this, let's do a taste test. Perfect blend, perfect amount of banana and blueberry, and I don't know if I can sense anything of the cherries, but it is somewhere in there. And obviously if you want to eat like a smoothie, then you can definitely use yogurt instead of milk, and try to use like frozen fruits or berries so that it becomes like a hardcore smoothie. But I like mine this way. It is easy to just eat and enjoy and while working. So yeah, that was my 5 minutes banana blueberry smoothie. I hope you really enjoy it. I will see you in my next one. Bye.